Google's Pixel lineup has always been a fascinating journey balancing innovation with consistency. And now, the latest leaks of the Pixel 10 Pro XL have us asking an important question as Google finally reached peak Pixel design. The newly leaked CAD renders of what is claimed to be the Pixel 10 Pro XL have surfaced, giving us an early look at Google's upcoming flagship. These renders reveal a familiar design and a large display, reinforcing Google's strategy of offering multiple screen sizes in its premium smartphone range. The leak also includes images of the Pixel 10 Pro and the Pixel 10, both of which reportedly retain the same screen sizes as their predecessors. When we take a closer look at the leaked Pixel 10 Pro XL, it appears that Google is maintaining a steady course rather than opting for a radical redesign. The device is said to feature a 6.8-inch display, exactly the same as last year's Pixel 9 Pro XL. This consistency in screen size shows Google's commitment to catering to different user preferences, acknowledging that not everyone wants an oversized phone. As to the physical dimensions, the Pixel 10 Pro XL is reported to measure approximately 162.7 76.6 x 8.5 millimeters. This makes it only 0.1 millimeters taller than its predecessor, an almost negligible difference. With such minimal physical changes, it's clear that Google is focusing more on internal refinements rather than making dramatic external alterations. For those curious about what else is expected, here's a quick look at the leaked details. Display 6.8-inch. Dimensions 162.7 76.6 x 8.5 millimeters approximate. Release timeline expected in August. Operating system likely to launch with Android 16. While these renders showcase a sleek and premium-looking device, there's no escaping the fact that the Pixel 10 Pro XL looks strikingly similar to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This begs the question, has Google become so satisfied with its current design language that it sees no need for physical changes? Let's not forget that Google made a significant shift with the Pixel 9 series, especially with the camera housing. It moved away from the signature visor camera bar and embraced a more conventional yet polished look with flat sides, something that was met with mixed reactions. Some praised the change, while others criticized it for looking too much like an iPhone. Now, with these new Pixel 10 Pro XL renders showing almost no exterior modifications, it seems Google has decided to stay the course. Interestingly, if the recently leaked designs of Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series are accurate, it appears that Apple may be taking some inspiration from Google's current design. Could this mean that Google's Pixel lineup has finally solidified a signature look that competitors might follow? It's an intriguing thought. However, there's still a lot we don't know. The leaks have focused purely on the design, leaving major questions about software improvements and camera upgrades unanswered. This might be disappointing. But if you appreciate Google's refined and mature approach to hardware, this could be the most polished Pixel yet. So, what do you think? Has Google hit its peak with the Pixel 10 Pro XL design, or were you expecting something more innovative? Let us know in the comments below. As always, stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official reveal. S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.